Little Elm ISD is asking voters to consider a $289.5 million bond proposition for the November 8th general election. Part of the bond addresses several safety and security projects across the district. Those projects include upgrading door locks using electronic locks on classroom doors, also installing a weapon detection system that will help identify weapons on individuals, applying security film on classroom doors and to windows in the main parts of all campuses, adding barriers and fencing to secure the outside of campus areas across the district. These projects are estimated to be $13.2 million. Early voting begins Monday, October 24th. Election Day is Tuesday, November 8th. To learn more about Bond 2022 and to find polling locations, please visit www.littleelmisdbond.net.